village opening the doors for us. We have the privilege of actually coming back home to Waitara to move into a beautiful kaumātua flats of Te Atiawa Nui Tonu. This is my hometown where I was born, and so I thank my people for what they have done.
We have a waiting list of about 18 people waiting to have made application for our units. We only had 8, we've now got 12.
I think like every region, it has its ups and downs, and it's just the way it is at the moment. There is a lot of need out there. The journey for them has been quite amazing. So they've been with us for karakia for the section, for when we had the first walkthrough, you know, everybody turned up. And same with TSB Bank. And it's one of those things they don't have to, but it's nice, and they want to be involved. They want to know the process.
What we've learned as a team is that family is very important. Learning sort of the cultural side of things, like for example, we understood that if someone were to pass, they don't come back out past the kitchen, things like that. So that was all sort of quite new to our team. And so we've made all provisions to go out the branch sliders and out around the stepped area.
Oh, they are. Awesome.
We've put a lot of thought into what the kaumātua might need in the future, as well as what they need now.
It is going to be a learning curve for them because they've got heat pumps, just the stove, just having the ex-Bel Air there. That's always a challenge. But I can see them being in there for another 20 years. To me, I think it's going to extend their life.
Now I've come home to stay still and to just be and enjoy this beautiful house.